Hi and welcome everybody to Off the Ramp, and in today's video we are going to show you how to create your production/project in Proco. So without further ado, let's get into it. So we're going to navigate over to Proco using the main menu here, and just a reminder to create your new tasks, milestones, team, basically hover over here where you will then see your mouse change from the mouse pointer to the hand. And once that's done, you can click and you will see this menu pop up, and then you can click on create new project. So here you will basically name your project name, give it a description, and then you can assign it to wherever you are. Over here, you'll notice that it's just Cat and Off the Ramp because I created a team for Cat and Off the Ramp. So when you create a team, you can actually create a team of specific users which you can assign the project to fairly easily, as well as your tasks. So here I'm just going to say Cat, and then you'd have to select which category the actual project belongs into. So for example, say I need to source talent, so I'll go to the casting department, and you can see through all the other departments there as well: production management, directorial, notice all the directors are there, camera and lights department, sound, and so on and so on and so on. So I'm going to select the casting department, and I'm going to say create project. And there you go. It will take you straight to your actual project, where you can then continue to finish off the details of the project. So you can add a due date over here, and we'll say finish on the 28th, and then you can select the status if you want to, in progress. And then if you want to, you can also set a priority as well. So we can say over here, it's low, and you can save changes there. You won't be able to add any custom fields, and then you can go back to projects there, but just make sure that you of course save your changes. And then in this project here, you'll notice that there are a couple of other tabs over here. So you can see all the tasks that are also within the actual project over here. You can see the discussions over here as well, and also have discussions with team members who are assigned to the actual project. You can see all the members that are assigned to the project here, and add members as well. Here's the team that I was talking about as well. Very easy way for you to add a number of people. I will show you how to create a team in another video. And then here you can actually see a little bit of a project status as well, so just see exactly where the project is at, and also update the status as well using these actual project status updates as well. Just make sure that you update the status there as well. Then just going further down as well, you can see a whole lot of other information on the actual project as well, in terms of what tasks are complete, pending, overdue, and the completion rate of the actual project as well. So you can keep on track as to how your project is actually progressing there. So over here, you'll see all the milestones that are basically assigned to the project, so that you know what milestones are being reached, how far along they are as well to being reached, and everything else, as well as to who's assigned to those actual milestones and the projects as well, and the tasks that are assigned to those actual milestones as well. And then over here, it's basically your notifications. So you can receive notifications of the actual project as well. Any new tasks completed, new tasks that are created within it as well. and everything else as well, if you want to receive weekly updates as well on this. So yeah, just make sure that you also save this over here. And then you can also change the view of your actual project. If you hover over here to type, you can see that you can get it in a list type, Kanban board, or a timeline type as well by simply clicking on it. And then over here you can basically get the copy of the link. If you want to quickly just direct somebody to it, you can give them the link so that they can easily access the actual project. Of course, be sure to share this with people who are on your team, but even if you share it with those who are not on your team, they will not be able to actually see the project. Only those who are assigned to the project can actually see it. And then over here you will find more options to copy, export your projects, or you can hide complete tasks or add to your dashboard so you can have quick, easy access. If you have a whole number of projects and you only want to see specific ones, then you can add that one. And of course, you can delete your project right over here. All right, so that is a overview basically of the projects and how to actually manage them. I will see you guys in the next video.